What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. I want to help you get your shopping done through this crisis that we've been in. The number one godsend to me has been Shipt. That's S-H-I-P-T. It's not available everywhere, and it's only available for certain stores. In my area, we get Target, Petco, and CVS. I don't have a pet, so that's not a problem. But Target has produce and all the needs. It covers all the goods and services that we need. A little bit of meats and stuff. Not everything's perfect, but in these times, it's super helpful to have it. It's a simple app. It kind of works like Uber, except you schedule a time for people to pick you up, or not people to pick you up, to go shopping and for them to drop your goods off. It's usually a few hour wait. It's been a little busy these days because of the pandemic, but still super helpful. So you go into the app and you just click and select like you would on any other shopping site, like Amazon or anything along those lines, and fill up your cart with all the goods and services you need. You can add a specific note for anything else that might be a special instruction that you need with that, or special instruction for your delivery. And you can also have them leave it on your doorstep and not actually see them. In these times during a pandemic, it's a good option to actually just have them leave it on your doorstep. But I was using this long before all of these this virus issue hit the planet, because I have a wife and kid, and sometimes it just gets busy, and it saves me 3 hours of packing the kid up, driving to the store, going through the store, shopping, bringing everything back, all the delays with having a child. Sometimes shopping can be a bit hectic. A lot of the times it's smooth, but sometimes you're exhausted, the kid's exhausted, he doesn't want to behave, and Shipt just makes it a lot easier. So I'll leave a link down in the description below. Check it out. I think you get like a discount or a credit or something along those lines. Again, it's a simple app to use. You can also become a shopper for them. I've talked to some of the shoppers, and I think they make like around 15, depending on where their location is and how often they actually shop. A lot of them are actually school teachers, people that are working part-time. It just seems to work well with the schedule of a school teacher, especially in the off season, because it's it's the gig economy. It's kind of like Uber. You turn it on when you want to shop, or you schedule your time when you want to shop, and you don't have a boss. So pretty cool. So I'll leave a link down below, whether you want to be a shopper or you just want to get your groceries delivered to you. I use it all the time, and I definitely recommend it. Like every other video that I have, I use what I recommend. And if you like today's content and you want more tips like this and reviews of stuff that you could use in your daily life to make things easier, so hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thanks.